See? Like that is in the middle of the car. That's the boot.
There's a lot of stuff in it.
A lot of stuff.
Lots of stuff. Too much stuff.
Ready for camping?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 full cars. Supposed to be taking one. I think I'll follow you because you got the sat nav, yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Pretty big, eh? Good job there.
Well done. You know these are lights down here, solar panel lights. Later they will light up.
Where to put them?
Yeah. String them along.
Yeah.
Ooh, good, Ed. I'll have one soon.
Do you know what we're doing? We are winning.
Are you?
Yeah.
Very
Like
nice.
who get the big one, who wins.
That sounds
Who
good.
don't get the big one, who leaves.
Sounds like a good game. Why nobody ate my ham and cheese sandwiches?
They're all yucky.
Ah.
All lucky.
Oh, look over here.
What?
That's a big pile of sand.
Tiny. But look up there.
Oh, that's a big hill, is it?
Tiny.
See, run.
No, see that?
No energy, huh?
No, the wind.
Oh. Oh, this is nice.
Finally made it to Llangennith, which is also known as Rhossili Bay. We parked up, set up the tent, took about an hour and a half. Really nice campsite, it's called Hill End Campsite, and we just walked down to the beach right now through some dunes. And dunes are pretty big. They're going for miles and miles, as you can see, all around. And then over there, the village on the hillside, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's Rhossili, and that's probably one of my favourite places in the world. Over there, that's Worm's Head. It's an island when it's high tide, kind of looks like a sleeping dragon. It's pretty cool. Very popular for photographers as well. So now the kids are at the beach.
that's it. We'll let out the fourth one, but you should go higher.
No, Evelyn.
See you later.
Should we sleep tonight?
Bye. Right, let's go on.
There you go.
That's it.
Go.
Never one.
Oh, we got wet down here, is it?
We go bedside.
Yeah.
I'm never one.
Hey, good tip. Right, I think that's ready to tip.
Watch your head.
Whoa! No me? Wow, no bad! Wow, good throw. Good one, okay?
Next.
Okay.
Your eyes.
Wow! Betty went fast. Oh, lovely day.
Day 2. Just had a shower. Feel so much better. I had quite a few beers last night. But yeah, I also didn't sleep very well. It was a lot colder than I thought it was going to be. Must have been down to like 5 or 6 degrees. But now it's like 25 degrees now. And it's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. Much better day than yesterday though. I mean, look at this sky. Absolutely amazing. So today we're going to go to the sunflower fields up in Rhossili. It's a bit of a walk, but hopefully the kids are alright. I haven't woken up myself yet. I'm on coffee number 3, still not kicking it. Where's your sun hat, Link?
Car.
Who's ready for breakfast?
Me.
Good. What do you want?
Beans only.
Just beans, is it? Beans, lovely. Okay.
Which one?
This breakfast is awesome. How's your food, Link?
What?
Is it nice? Great, isn't it?
Have black with it. Yeah.
Which one?
So delicious,
I love it.
yeah.
We eat the same which one?
That's right, yeah.
I think there'll be more butterflies over this way.
See more butterflies.
Two butterflies.
No. No.
Two. One.
Hey.
It's okay. Two.
Say that, yeah?
Leave only footprints.
What's that mean?
Means don't make a mess on the beach. Huge. I used to come here when I was a kid, camping and along the cliff tops over there. Used to go walking, and you can get to Worm's Head Island, which looks like a sleeping dragon. At low tide you can get to the end, and apparently, I've never seen them, but apparently there's seals sleeping at the base of those cliffs over there. I've seen some seals since coming back near where we live, around Rhossili Bay, but this place is something else. I mean, check it out.
I don't know.
Have space here, Daddy. And more space.
Right, almost made it Rhossili. It took a bit longer than we thought. Then I had to carry Evelyn. Link's still walking, but we're so close right now. But we are a little bit knackered from that walk along the bay there. Much longer than it looks. Not far to go there. You can see the restaurant and ice cream shop up there on the left hand side.
that's all